Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. A few days ago, some leaks suggested that LG is going to use Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G instead of Snapdragon 865 for their upcoming LG G9 series. But a Korean news site, Naver, has reported that LG is looking to change its smartphone strategy, both by ditching G series and by replacing it with a new, more affordable range of smartphones. Regarding all this, LG has responded to this report with a statement that for 8 generations, the LG G series has introduced bleeding-edge technology to consumers around the world. From super wide-angle cameras to flexible displays to high-fidelity audio in the quad DAC to 1440p displays, the G series has consistently been at the forefront of smartphone innovation since 2012. We are looking forward to share more details soon. The Korean news site, Naver, reports that LG is looking to recreate the successor of its popular chocolate phone, the LG KG800 Chocolate, from 2006. The LG's new chocolate phone is reported to come with Snapdragon 765G. The Snapdragon 765G is a great mid-range chipset that offers 5G connectivity. So, what's your thought regarding all these marketing strategies from LG? Let me know in the comments down below. And, as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.